Jen Eden here. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. I am a health coach for about 20 years now, and I'm here to talk to you about sleep today, but not just sleep, because a lot of people talk about sleep, but like what not to do. So in 1 second, I'm going to share that. I always just want to pause and say, if you do not follow me at this time, but you find my work inspiring and helpful, and it's just a quick little nugget that helps you live a better life, then I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and then we can stay in touch. Okay, so here's the thing about sleep. First of all, I just want to say and get right to the point. Melatonin, when we take it, it actually disrupts our sleep. And I know that because when I couldn't sleep, oh gosh, a couple of years back, I hired sleep specialists, naturopaths, my chiropractor. I talked to friends who couldn't sleep because that was something I had never experienced before. So I didn't have any tools in my toolbox. And I'm going to tell you now, taking melatonin disrupts the body's natural ability to sleep at night. So number one, do not do that. Number two, what I find is electromagnetic frequencies, blue light. So being on our phones at night, too much television, too much stimulation will absolutely affect our sleep at night. Okay, so that is number two. Number three, I'm just gonna say it because someone needs to say it. If you are eating late at night, staying up, eating chips, eating sweets, or drinking alcohol, right, doing these things that are not allowing the body to A, rest at night and heal, and B, you're affecting the liver's ability to detox at night, you will be up typically between 1 and 3 a.m. So I need you to curb eating and doing anything sort of drinking, okay? I'd say 5 hours before bed. I'm just gonna say it if you want it to be less, because Jen, I go to bed at 11 and I eat at 9, or you go to bed at 10 and you're eating dinner at 8, ink-snay on that, okay? I really need you to curb what you're eating after dinner, and also to start planning your dinners earlier if you want to sleep better. Okay, the other piece, and this is a biggie, and you may or may not have heard it before, but our stress levels and us going all day, right? I tell my clients, foot on the pedal all day. If you think you're gonna have your foot on the pedal all day and then just turn your brain off at night, or have difficult conversations with your children, with a staff member, with a client, with your boss, or if you're the boss, with your staff. If you do not have those conversations and you keep swallowing them down and allowing stress to live in your body, you will absolutely be waking up periodically throughout the night. It's typically, again, between 1 and 3 a.m., right? We just wake up and our mind is racing. So I'm gonna tell you now, no supplement, no drug, no, I'll say it, supplement. We've got these sleeping pills and all these other things. None of them will actually work long-term if you do not fix these pieces that I'm talking about. And last but not least, I would be remiss if I did not share that magnesium glycinate is a wonderful supplement to take, to help the body rest at night. We're magnesium deficient anyway, pretty much everyone I know, so it could not hurt to take about 400 milligrams at night. Please check with your doctor if you've got, many pills and other things you're on, but please know that magnesium glycinate seems to help many of our clients be able to sleep at night, coupled with the other things I just spoke to you about. So if you're not sleeping, I wish you all the best with that. Try just 1 or 2 of my remedies, and then please feel free to circle back, hit me up, because honestly, they work. So, all right, amazing. Thank you for being here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, but after this amazing sleep remedy ideas, after this episode, if you feel excited to support me and to follow along, I'd be excited if you subscribe to my channel and join my community. So thank you, and I'll talk to you again soon.